Good morning. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the answers to the second 5 from Friday. So basically what you're going to want to do is check your work against this before you try today's assignment. Okay, so now remember the directions, and I'm trying to keep these the same, but you're going to bold the simple subject, underline the verb, and highlight the direct object. And remember, the simple subject should be a noun. Maybe a compound noun, but certainly not anything where it's got adjectives, etc. Same thing with the direct object. It should be one word in most of the cases. All right, so we take a look at number 6. Yellowstone's geysers attract visitors from all over the world. Easiest thing, start with the verb. Which one of these things can you do? You can attract someone. So we're going to underline that. Who or what is attracting someone? Well, the geysers are attracting. Now here we have a possessive noun, so remember those are not going to be subjects. And now what are the geysers attracting? And remember, especially here, it's helpful to get rid of your prepositional phrases. So if I go over and from all over the world, that's a prepositional phrase. So I'm going to get rid of that. And that makes my job pretty easy now. Geysers attract what? They attract visitors. There is your direct object. Number 7, nearly 200 geysers dot the park's landscape. Which of these things can you do? Well, you can dot something. Who or what is dotting it? The geysers. The nearly 200 just tells us how many. And dot what? Well, here we have the park's landscape. Well, it can't, the direct object can't be an article, and it can't be a possessive. So is the landscape being dotted? Yes, it is. The next one, Old Faithful, comma, the largest, erupts almost hourly. Start with our verb, erupts. Now, what's erupting? Here we have one of those appositive phrases. So we have Old Faithful and the largest, and those both say the same thing. So technically, your subject is Old Faithful, but if you did largest instead, because this takes the place of that, I wouldn't mark it wrong in this case. Now, we get here, and we have no verbs. Almost and hourly both tell us when. They're both adverbs, so in this case, there is no direct object. Number 9, it shoots water more than 100 feet into the air. Which of these can you do? Shoot. That makes the subject pretty easy. It. And it shoots what? Well, let's look for prepositional phrases again. More than 100 feet. That's a prepositional phrase. Into the air. Oops. That's a prepositional phrase. And that makes, again, our job pretty easy. What is being shot? The water. Now, again, I'm not scoring you on the prepositional phrases, but that does, I think, make your job a whole lot easier if you get rid of them in a sentence. Yellowstone National Park contains many other attractions. Which of those is a verb? You can contain something. Now, in this case, this would all be your subject. Yes, it's more than one word, but it's a proper noun. So remember, proper nouns are one thing. And in my copying process, it looks like the P got lowercase. Many other attractions. Which of these are nouns? Many is not a noun. Other is not a noun. Attractions is a noun. That is our direct object. So there are your answers for today. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to go ahead and open up. Here is the practice set for today. Again, the same directions. And what you're going to want to do is same thing. Okay. Find the verb, underline, subject, bold. Okay. And then the team won what? They won the game. So that would be highlighted. And there you go. Number 1 is done for you. You now need to get at least 7 of the remaining 9 correct in order to be done. Otherwise, expect it to be sent back to you, and I'll ask you to fix certain ones. All right. All right. That's all I got for you right now.